I'm super excited to share this recipe with you today because it's not only mouth-wateringly delicious, but it's incredibly easy to make. Imagine sinking your teeth into tender chicken wrapped around a savory mix of spinach and cheese, all perfectly cooked golden brown. Sounds like something worth putting on a holiday plate, right? I'm about to show you how just easy and simple it is to make. We are going to make our cheese and spinach chicken roll-ups, and I'm using 3 chicken breasts. This breast I'm using is a bone-in breast, but I just deboned it, and I'm just going to cut it in half. If you have a chicken breast where you are not able to cut it in half, leave it as is. And I'm also going to put the chicken tender in here, ready on a plastic wrap. This is just a clean way how to tenderize your chicken or how to spread it out. And I'm going to use my mallet. You can use a teacup or something that is heavy to do this. And you're just going to smash it about 1/4 inch thick and spread it apart. So we have a beautiful surface to work with, and it's spread enough to hold our filling. Let's make our marinade. To make our marinade, I'm adding 2 cloves of chopped garlic. I want a lot of garlic taste in this. I have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and I'm adding some more granulated garlic of 1/4 teaspoon. I am adding 1/2 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. You can use Maggi. 1 tablespoon of oil. This right here is the Caribbean home seasoning that we have on our channel. It has everything from pimento to ginger, shano beni, everything that you can think about. You can check out that recipe. I'm just going to add not too much because it's very strong. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of that. And I'm just going to give it a nice little mix to bring everything together. And how can I forget to add salt? I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt because our cheese already has salt as well. And we're going to mix this together. And this right here is good for our marinade. We have our 3 pieces of chicken. Add a little bit of the marinade on each one. A little goes a long way, about a teaspoon on each. And we're just going to brush it on, or you can use your hand to do this, but I don't have enough gloves, so I won't dig in. It smells so good already. I'm going to flip them over. Do the inside. I'm setting this aside to let it rest for just a little bit. It's going to marinate very fast, and it doesn't have to marinate for a long period of time, especially because we would have malleted the chicken, and it's going to cook very fast, and all that seasoning is going to go straight to the chicken, no time. I have some frozen spinach. This is frozen chopped spinach. I'm going to pop this in the microwave and bring it down to room temperature. You can use dasheen bush, you can use bhaji, whatever spinach you have, you can use it. Just cook it down before you add it to the meat. Or you could add it to the meat as the juices will also cook it. I am using Philadelphia whipped chive cream cheese, and I'm adding about 3 tablespoons on the large one, and on the smaller ones accordingly maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. And I'm just gonna spread it. The cream cheese also is high in sodium. It's very easy to spread, and that is one of the benefits. And we have our 3 beautiful chicken breasts smeared with our chive cream cheese. I am adding some of the spinach. I'm spreading the spinach on each one. Just a little bit, I'm not going too crazy. And I'm not going to go too close to the end. I already have my oven on 350. And I'm just going to take the bottom up and I'm going to roll these and roll that filling inside. You want to roll it and leave the skin side down when you're rolling it. So this is my skin side down. Place them in a baking dish with the seam side down. Smells. And we're going to pop these in the oven at 350 and we're going to bake them for about 40 minutes. Our chicken breast roll-ups are done, and we're going to allow them to cool down and allow the juices to stay in the chicken before we cut into them. Our chicken breast has cooled down, and we're just going to cut into one with a very sharp knife. And this is what it looks like. So we're going to slice it up, and we're going to plate it, and I use the stock to create a broth. We have some beautiful pieces of chicken breasts. And here we have our final product of spinach and cheese chicken roll-ups. You can make this recipe for Christmas. You can make this recipe on a regular Sunday if you want to entertain guests. If you enjoyed watching this video with me, please give the video a thumbs up or subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by subscribing, sharing, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.